Oh my gosh, it is me and Gracie out here. She losing her mind in all this snow. She's like a crackhead out here in this snow. It is truly coming down, y'all. I mean, coming down. So I gotta go take care of the chickens. I'm gonna put Gracie up and I gotta come back out and take care of the chickens because we didn't get a chance to put the tarp back up last night because we got in really late and it's snowing there with the chickens. So I definitely gotta make sure they're taken care of, fed, and have water. So it's part of being out here. That's why I have on 3 layers right now. 3 layers. I should have had my scarf on, but I'm gonna zip this up a little more. So me and Gracie about to head in if I can get her to come on. Gracie, why are you on the other side of me? Oh my God. Hold on. It is truly coming down, coming down. It's soft, it's fluffy. And I've had enough of her pulling me right